Hello everyone, it's Adam here. I was looking for a pipe guard for the Beta 500 RRS 4-stroke, and all I found was a ton of carbon fiber options, and the ones I'd seen YouTube videos on, they looked to be a little too bulky, like almost like they were built for two strokes, and they set really far out from the pipe. Maybe the pipe a lot bigger than it really needed to be. I don't. I think I'll keep this machine with a stock exhaust. I have no plans to change it, but I really had a hard time finding a custom guard that was made for this bike, or at least for the 4-stroke bikes. So I went on Amazon and I grabbed this one. It's generic. Supposed to be for 4-stroke bikes. We're gonna throw it on and see how it looks. These are super simple to install. I'm only doing this video so people can see what it looks like, so they can decide for themselves if they want it. Get your two clamps in the end there, which are probably flathead. Yeah. Sockets. So let's throw it on and see how it looks. Well, not too thrilled with this one. I'll link to it below, but you can see here it starts there, goes back to there. I kind of wanted to go all the way back to the where the manual kickstart is. Also, another issue is only really half a wrap, because under here there's nothing. So it's only just the top part there. I want a pipe guard that goes from pipe start to at least the O2 sensor. It doesn't look bad, and it'll do the job for now, but eventually I'll replace this with one that's a little bit different. Well, I'll link to this below. This is something that's more your style, then feel free to grab it.